you ever wondered if there's a way to work from home without a fancy degree or years of experience? You're not alone. And the good news is, it's absolutely possible. In fact, there are plenty of remote jobs that are not only easy to do, but also easy to land. Imagine starting a new role tomorrow with nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and some determination. In today's video, we're diving into 9 incredible work-from-home jobs that tick all the boxes. They don't require a college degree. They don't demand previous experience. And most importantly, they're designed for anyone looking to step into a flexible remote career. Here's what you can expect: a breakdown of each job, what you'd be doing day to day, honest pros and cons, so you know exactly what you're getting into, practical tips to help you land these roles, even if you're starting from scratch, and actual job postings to get you started right away. So whether you're looking for extra income, a fresh career path, or just a way to work in your pajamas, stick around. This video might just change your life. Let's jump right in with the first work-from-home job on our list. A role that's surprisingly overlooked but is a fantastic entry point for many. Administrative assistant. Picture this. You're the organizational genius behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs like a well-oiled machine. From managing schedules to handling correspondence and filing invoices, this role is all about providing essential support to a team or individual. The best part? Companies are increasingly hiring remote administrative assistants, allowing you to work comfortably from home. You can expect to earn anywhere between $35,000 and $55,000 per year, depending on your employer and experience level. And don't worry, experience isn't a must for this role. What you'll need are solid organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to communicate effectively. A computer, internet connection, and a knack for multitasking will have you off to a great start. How do you get started? Begin by brushing up on tools like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. These are the bread and butter of admin roles. Then explore job boards like Indeed or LinkedIn for remote administrative assistant openings. Tailor your resume to highlight transferable skills like time management and communication, even if you've never worked in a similar role before. The perks? Flexibility and variety. Every day can bring something new, but it's not all roses. Cons include occasional repetitive tasks and juggling multiple priorities, which can feel overwhelming. Overall, this is a great entry-level remote job, earning it an opportunity score of 7 out of 10. Next, let's talk about something more fun: virtual vacation booker. Imagine helping people plan their dream vacations while working from your couch. Sounds amazing, right? This role involves curating itineraries, managing bookings, and ensuring clients have seamless travel experiences. You're basically a personal travel planner. Travel industry has been booming lately, and you can cash in with an income of $52,000 to $81,000 per year. All you need is good communication skills, a passion for travel, and familiarity with booking platforms. Bonus points: if you enjoy researching hidden gems and popular destinations. To get started, dive into travel blogs and YouTube channels to learn the ins and outs of trip planning. You can also take online certifications in tourism management or travel booking. Connect with experienced travel agents on LinkedIn. Don't shy away from volunteering at a local agency to gain hands-on experience. The upside? You'll learn about fascinating destinations and enjoy uncapped income potential, especially if your pay is commission-based. On the flip side, irregular hours and the need for self-discipline can be challenging, but for the right person, this role deserves a strong 9 out of 10. Next, let's talk about something that's straightforward but surprisingly impactful: online task contributor. This job involves evaluating search engine results to ensure they're accurate and relevant. It's perfect for detail-oriented people who enjoy problem-solving behind the scenes. Salaries range from $42,000 to $78,000 per year, and the best part is that these positions require no prior experience. You'll need excellent written and verbal communication skills, attention to detail, and a willingness to follow instructions. Getting started is simple. Apply directly to major tech companies like Google or Bing through their hiring portals. Alternatively, search for openings with third-party vendors specializing in search engine evaluation. Pros include the learning about web content and being part of improving the online experience. However, the repetitive nature of the work might not suit everyone. Still, this role scores a solid 7 out of 10 for its ease and accessibility. Stay tuned. We're just getting started, and the next job might be your dream role. Let's shift gears, literally, and talk about aftermarket auto parts live chat sales. If you're a car enthusiast, this is where passion meets profession. Imagine chatting with fellow car lovers about modifications, upgrades, and the best aftermarket parts to take their vehicles to the next level. As a live chat sales agent, your job is to guide customers toward the right products, whether they're looking to boost performance or just add some flair. You can expect to make $40,000 to $60,000 per year, with some positions offering additional commission for sales. The key skills here? Knowledge of cars and aftermarket parts, strong communication abilities, and the knack to offer solutions even when there's no exact fit available. If you've ever dreamed of turning your hobby into a paycheck, this is a great way to do it. While the job offers flexibility and a chance to connect with fellow gearheads, it's not without its challenges. You'll need to keep up with industry trends and manage the occasional demanding customer. Still, for car lovers, this role deserves a solid 8 out of 10. Next, let's talk about a role that opens the door to a thriving business world: SDR, Sales Development Representative. If the thought of traditional, pushy sales jobs makes you cringe, don't worry. This isn't that. As an SDR, your focus is on initiating conversations with businesses, understanding their needs, and connecting them with solutions, all without the pressure of closing deals. The earning potential is impressive, ranging from $87,000 to $142,000 per year, thanks to commissions and bonuses. What's even better, many SDR positions don't require prior experience, just a willingness to learn and excellent communication skills. To break into this field, check out online training programs like Course Careers or Sales Boot Camps. They can help you build foundational skills and land your first role. With a high earning ceiling and valuable experience for future career growth, this job scores a perfect 10 out of 10. If you have a way with words and a fast typing speed, consider becoming a speak-write typist. This role lets you transform audio recordings into polished documents across industries like law, healthcare, and academia. It's a modern twist on the ancient art of transcription, where your keyboard replaces the quills of Alexandria. Earnings typically range from the $39,000 to $64,000 annually, and you'll need a typing speed of at least 60 words per minute, excellent listening skills, and familiarity with transcription tools. You can get started by taking online transcription courses or doing a few freelance projects to build your portfolio. While the work can feel repetitive, it's a fantastic way to break into industries that value precision and detail. For this reason, it earns an opportunity score of 7.5 out of 10. For something more data-driven, there's Remote Data Entry Analyst. Think of this role as being the digital custodian of organizational data. You'll organize, input, and verify information to ensure businesses have clean and accurate systems. With an average salary of $43,000 to $60,000 per year, this job doesn't demand much beyond basic computer skills, attention to detail, and the ability to follow instructions. To get started, look for entry-level roles on platforms like Upwork or Indeed and showcase your knack for staying organized. While data entry isn't the most exciting job, it's reliable and can open doors to more advanced roles in analytics or IT. This one gets a practical 7 out of 10. Shifting focus to something more community-driven, let's talk about the social services help desk roles. In this position, you become a lifeline for individuals seeking guidance, connecting them to resources from nonprofits or government agencies. The pay ranges from $47,000 to $75,000 annually, and the job requires strong communication and active listening skills. If you're already involved in your community, this could be a natural fit. Volunteering with local organizations is a great way to gain relevant experience before applying. While it's deeply rewarding to help others, the role can sometimes feel emotionally taxing. For its potential to make a positive impact, though, this job scores a solid 8 out of 10. Finally, let's talk about one of the most flexible and rewarding options: private online tutoring. Chances are you're good at something, whether it's math, a foreign language, or even playing chess. Why not turn that expertise into income? Tutors can earn between $43,000 and $72,000 per year, or even more if you specialize in high-demand subjects or niche skills. Getting started is as simple as creating a profile on tutoring platforms like Wyzant or Preply. Highlight your strengths and consider offering a few sessions at discounted rates to build up testimonials. The flexibility to set your own schedule and the chance to make a positive impact on students make this role a favorite. While it does require strong communication and motivational skills, it's a clear 9 out of 10 opportunity. Stay tuned for more great opportunities, because the next job could be the one that transforms your career. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these work-from-home jobs caught your eye? Is there one you're excited to explore? Or maybe you've got your own ideas for remote roles we didn't cover? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one of them and can't wait to see your feedback. Who knows, your suggestion might even inspire a future video. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment with your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to subscribe to the Cash Money Ideas for more amazing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.